guys, and welcome to Bunches of Lunches. I'm Jennifer with the Family Fudge, and I'm super excited about today's video because it's Subscriber Lunch Sunday. On this channel, I love sharing fun lunch ideas every single week, and I hope that they inspire you to make fun lunches for yourself. Now, I want to give a huge thank you to all of you who sent in your lunch idea for today's video. I seriously got hundreds and hundreds of submitted ideas, and if I could, I would make every single one of them. Now, make sure to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up if you love fun lunch ideas. Our first lunch today was sent in by Jack from Iowa, and he requested a Halloween themed lunch that is all orange. And since this video is coming out on Halloween itself, I thought this would be a perfect lunch to be making. For Jack's main course, he requested orange chicken. And you guys, if you are a fan of orange chicken and you have a Trader Joe's near you, definitely check out the frozen orange chicken from Trader Joe's. It is so good. I actually like to heat it up in the air fryer so it becomes nice and crispy, and it tastes pretty similar to what you get at Panda Express. For Jack's fruit, he requested an orange, and I've just taken a little black food writer pen and I've added the jack-o'-lantern face directly to the peel. For Jack's veggie, he asked for some orange sweet peppers, and I ended up getting these smaller peppers so that I could turn them into little jack-o'-lanterns. I'm just going to cut the tops off, remove any seeds, and then using my knife, I'm going to cut little jack-o'-lantern faces in the peppers themselves. Then I'm going to stuff them with veggie cream cheese. These are super cute and a tasty snack. For Jack's snack, he asked for some cheese balls, and these are perfect because not only are they orange, but they almost look like little pumpkins themselves. I'm going to go ahead and add some of these to the lunchbox. And then for Jack's sweet treat, he asked for a pumpkin sugar cookie, but I actually couldn't find very many Halloween foods left in my grocery store. I was able to find these Halloween circus animal cookies, and to stick with the orange theme, I'm just going to be adding the orange ones. And now to finish up Jack's lunch, for his drink, he requested some orange juice. Our next lunch idea was sent in by Rose from North Carolina, and she asked for a Disney-themed lunch. Now you guys know how much I love Mickey, so that's what I'm going with for this lunch. For Rose's main course, she requested mac and cheese, but not the regular kind. She actually asked for a grilled cheese mac and cheese. For this, I'm going to be using some sourdough bread and some Annie's Deluxe mac and cheese. Once the mac and cheese is completely made according to the directions on the box, I can go ahead and put this sandwich together. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this into the lunchbox and then move on to the fruit and veggie. For her fruit, Rose requested apple slices, so I'm going to use my crinkle cutter to make them look extra special. And then to go along with her apple slices, she also requested some peanut butter to dip them in. For Rose's veggie, I'm adding some carrot stuffed cucumbers, and of course I use the Mickey shape for this. And you guys, Rose specifically asked not to have ranch to go along with her veggies. Instead, she asked for Thousand Island dressing. For Rose's snack, she requested these big Cheez-It crackers. And for her treat, she requested some sour gummy worms in the wild berry flavor. And then last but not least for Rose's drink, she requested some Minute Maid blue raspberry, but I couldn't actually find the real thing at any store near me. So instead I'm going to be using this blue raspberry drink powder mix. And as you can see, you guys, it is super blue. Next up is a lunch idea sent in by Lexi from Ontario, Canada. For her, I'm going to be making a breakfast for lunch type box with kind of a fox theme. For Lexi's main course, I'm going to start by making a really fun open-faced fox sandwich. Now the first thing I'm going to need to do is go ahead and trim this slice of bread just a little bit on either side. Otherwise, it's not going to fit in this lunchbox. To my bread, I'm going to be adding a layer of whipped cream cheese. I'm going to spread this all over the bread, and then directly on top of that, I'm going to be adding some peanut butter. For the fox's ears, I'm going to be adding 2 slices of strawberry. For the eyes, I'm adding some slices of banana with blueberries on top. And the biggest blueberry I could find for the nose. Now for Lexi's fruit, I'm going to be adding a little bit of a fruit salad. This is just strawberries, bananas, and kiwis. And for her veggie, she requested a combo of broccoli and carrots. Oh yes, now I can't forget the maple sausage. That goes so perfectly with a breakfast themed lunch. And to keep this nice and hot, I'm going to be adding it to the thermos. For Lexi's snack, she requested pretzels, and for her treat, she requested cookies. So I thought it'd be really fun to combine the two. And you guys, these cookies are really interesting. They're actually called compost cookies because they have a lot of different ingredients, including pretzels, like I said, but it also has potato chips, coffee, oats, graham crackers, chocolate chips, and butterscotch chips. I know that might sound like a strange combination, but these are actually really tasty. And then finally, for Lexi's drink, she requested something strawberry kiwi flavored. Next up is a lunch idea sent in by Emily from Ohio. Now, she requested a lunch with no sandwiches, and since she asked for a dog-themed lunch, I thought this mac and cheese would be perfect. Now, I'm not quite sure, but I think this might be a new product. I've never seen this before. I did get it at Target. It's basically just some white cheddar mac and cheese with cute little puppy and kitten-shaped pasta. For Emily's fruit, she requested apple slices. So again, for this, I'm just using my crinkle cutter. For her veggies, she requested carrots and cucumbers. So I'm going to be loading those up over here. And then you guys, for Emily's snack, she requested Cheetos. So I thought these paw-shaped Cheetos would be perfect, especially for a dog-themed lunch. For Emily's sweet treat, she requested brownies. So I got these little brownies from the store. They fit so well in a lunchbox. And then for Emily's drink, she requested some strawberry lemonade. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix some of that up. Okay guys, now I hope these lunches have inspired you to create some fun lunches for yourself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.